Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Modic from KuCoin to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Modic, the native token of the Polygon network, is super popular for its fast transactions, and transferring it between exchanges like KuCoin and Kraken is easier than you might think. But remember, crypto involves risks, so always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Kraken, and that you have some Modic in your KuCoin wallet. Also, verify your Kraken account for withdrawals. It's a quick step that can save you time later. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account and head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section. Find your Modic balance and click on Withdraw. You'll need to select the Modic token from the list. Double-check that it's on the correct network, like Ethereum or Polygon, to avoid any errors. Step 2. Enter your Kraken wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from Kraken to prevent any typos. Then, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the network fees. They can vary, so aim to withdraw enough to cover costs and still get what you need. Step 3. Review the details carefully. KuCoin will show you a summary of the transaction, including fees and estimated arrival time. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication steps for security. Once the withdrawal is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to appear in your Kraken account, depending on network congestion. Head over to Kraken, log in, and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. A few quick tips. Always use the exact network specified by Kraken for Modic deposits, usually Ethereum mainnet. Watch out for gas fees and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, you've successfully withdrawn Modic from KuCoin to Kraken. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.